Hello everybody, my name is Davis and welcome back to another video, and today we are here for your July 16th, 2023 severe weather forecast. Now, as you can see for July 16th, we've got two different marginal risks of severe weather. We got one up here in the northeast and then we got one over here in the Midwest, and today we're going to be covering both of those, both of their tornado threats, their damaging wind threats, as well as their large hail threats. But also we have a slight risk of severe weather over here in northeastern Kansas, so we will also be covering what the dangers are with that. But if you're in the dark green or yellow area, be sure to be on a little bit of a lookout for July 16th for severe weather. It shouldn't be anything too crazy, but I am about to tell you what could happen in these areas. Starting with the tornado threat. We only have a 2% risk of a tornado, and it is up here in the northeast with this marginal risk, but it's not even that big of a tornado threat. However, it does have some very populated cities. You know, it's got Springfield, it's got Boston, it's got plenty of big places there. So if you're in that 2% area of a tornado risk, be on the lookout tomorrow for potentially small isolated tornadoes. Shouldn't be anything too damaging though. Then we've got our damaging wind outlook for July 16th, and I actually think that this could be one of the bigger threats with this storm because we have two of them. We have this 5% risk of damaging winds. That means winds of 60 miles an hour or higher, and that's in the northeast marginal risk up here. And then we have another one in our Midwest risk here, and then we have a 15% chance of winds exceeding 60 miles an hour or higher in the northeastern Kansas slight risk here. So if you're in this northeastern Kansas section here, get ready to see some winds that could potentially knock over trees, power lines, and more. Then we've got our hail outlook, and we do not have a hail threat in the northeast, but we do still have one in the Midwest here in Illinois, western Indiana. We've also got some in Iowa, northern Missouri, Kansas, as well as Nebraska. You know, it's kind of the same areas here. And we have a 15% risk of large hail. That means 1 inch or larger in the northeast Kansas slight risk right here. But it is slightly smaller than the 15% wind risk. So yeah, that's pretty much it for your forecast for July 16th, 2023. If I had to guess where I'd say you have the highest chance of seeing severe weather at, I would say somewhere in the northeast Kansas region. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.